Learn how to capture attention. My job is to wake people up. And what I'm talking about here is the content marketing, is becoming good at what you do, providing value, providing education, giving something to somebody that is going to make their lives better without expecting anything in return. And by doing that, you can build a massive business. That's how it works. Content marketing is a strategy that is a long-term positioning strategy to grab your business, your area of expertise, and expose yourself in the world. All businesses, doesn't matter what you are, products, services, doesn't matter. They are all solving a problem. They're all like providing solutions to a particular situation. They have a lot of content education about that particular service, about that particular problem. What information they have, whatever information they possess, can literally improve the lives of somebody else. What I believe that you should do is actually take your content, whatever you have, and create a humongous list of information that just with that data, you can improve somebody else's life. And based on that data, you can actually start providing that value. Whether you have a beauty cream, or you have a clothing design store, or you are an accountant, or you sell baby toys, you're building a brand that revolves around administration, consulting. This strategy really penetrates any business that you want to actually incorporate or take to the next level. Now, I teach a lot of entrepreneurs that are connected with the e-commerce world, but I also help a lot of brands, companies that have services that actually provide one-on-one services or business-to-business services, and the same thing applies. Positioning your brand as an authority, as somebody that really cares, somebody that's trying to make a difference, a company that's trying to make the difference in a person's life by providing education and value, it's the way to go about it. Content marketing works because it is increasing the person's responsibility over a subject. So, again, long-term, short-term, it's the easiest way that a company can actually expand their branding, their services, and grab their positioning. Because the digital world, Facebook advertising, YouTube, Google, all these particular channels, right? Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, they are massive content distribution channels. So they allow you to put out a video, an article, some kind of text, a blog, or an audio podcast, whatever it is, and get exposure. This is why content marketing works so well, and it is so powerful.